everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are diving into using communications tools in work groups in Bitrix24. And by the end, you will have all the insights you need. Whether your team is in the same office or spread across different locations, effective communication is the key to keeping everyone on the same page. Let's dive into how Bitrix24's work groups make it easy to communicate and collaborate seamlessly. So grab a seat, hit that like button, and let's get started. Before we jump into the tools themselves, let's quickly talk about why communication is so important in work group. When you are working on a project, it's crucial to have a space where all team members can share updates, ask questions, and collaborate in real time. Bitrix24 gives you all the communication tools you need in one place, so you don't need to jump between email, chats, and other platforms. Everything your team need is integrated right into the work group, keeping your communication organized and efficient. Let's start with the discussion board. This is one of the most powerful communication tool in the work group. It's essential space where you can post, update, share ideas, ask questions, or get feedback from the members. To create a discussion board, just click on the create post. First, we will open we will open our work group. Now you can start communicating with the team. So I'm writing any message. I have message that is please gather for the event on Monday. So we have to just post this message and we can add for whom we have to send this. Now we have added the employees in the manufacture event, so they will only notify for this message. Now I'm sending this message. So just like that, you can create and post for the particular discussion. You can add a little title and detailed description, and then everyone in the work group can reply to it. It's like having a central thread for all your project related conversation. Here we will get the like, comment, and more option so that they will reply to this particular message from the board. You can also organize discussions by topics. If your work groups is handling multiple tasks, you can have separate discussion for each one, keeping everything neat and easy to follow. This avoid the chaos of back and forth email or chat messages. In the in the section, we will also have the task option. Now I'm adding any of the task and I will assigning and then deadline. Now I'm sending this task to the particular employee. Here you will get the task option. Now you can see we have created this task, that is task 1 to 3. Next we have the comment section also and mention section. This is when you can really get granular with communication. Now in the comment section I will type any message like noted, and also you can mention the assignee into that comment section by using at the rate option. You can notify the, so just like that you can add the attention specifically as using the at the rate feature. Just type at the rate and follow to their name and they will get a notification. This is especially useful if you need a quick response or want to make sure a team member sees something important. In addition to this function, Bitrix24 also gives you chat and instant messaging option for more informal or immediate communication. Within your work groups, you can set up group chats or private some message with team members. If you have a quick question or need to resolve something in real time, chat is a great option. You can also share files. Also, here is the file option. You can share the files. So it's so easy to keep track of both formal discussions and more casual, quick conversations. All your communication stays in one place, so there is no need to search through emails or third party messaging apps. Now, how they how do you stay on the top of the communication? Bitrix24 has a communication system that keeps you updated on everything happening in your work group. And if you are managing a lot of tasks or discussions at once, you can easily check your notifications or even set up daily summaries to stay on the top of everything without following overwhelm. Another great feature is the ability to pin important posts. So if this is the important message for me, then I can pin this message to the top. This is especially useful when there is something crucial everyone in the work group needs to see. So here is the pin option. If I use this option, then it will automatically add it to the top of the list, and whenever I will open this chat, then it will appear on the top. To pin a post, simply click on the pin icon. This keeps the post at the top of your feed so everyone can see it, and as soon as they enter the group. Whether it's a key task, an important update or reminder, pin post is ensure that nothing get lost. Also, you can pin the task so that they will so all the team members will notify whenever they will open the task. So, to recap, Bitrix24 gives you several communication tools to help your team to collaborate effectively, whether you are using a discussion board or share feed section to share ideas, comments, and mention to keep conversations on track, chat for instant messaging or notification to stay updated. If you have everything you need to communicate effectively within your work group. These tools are designed to save your time, reduce confusion, and keep all your communications in one place, making it easy to manage and track the progress of your projects. So, thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you understand how to use communication tools in Bitrix24 workbooks. If you found this video useful, make sure to give it a thumb and subscribe for more tutorials on getting the most of our Bitrix24. And as always, if you have any questions, drop the comment below and see you in the next one. Thank you.